But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as our goal? And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. But why, some say, the moon? Why choose this as
What's up, everybody? How y'all doing tonight? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. I know it's been a couple days, but nonetheless, good to be rocking with y'all again. Let's do a quick mic check real quick. Already got a room full of people. What's up, Caesar C? What's up, Jason, Randy, Mr. Rick, Ernesto? What's happening, guys? Hope y'all having a good Friday night. Got Mr. Win Moon. We got Jen in the chat. JP Marketsworth. Volume is low. What's up, Crypto Rufio, Matt M? Dang, we got the The whole crowd's showing up tonight, guys. Do a quick mic check real quick. Jonathan K. What's up, Cassie? What's up, Ben Cadillac? Mike is good. Good, man. We're about to get rocking, guys. I know it's been a couple days, but did crypto miss me? I think it did. I think it did. What's up, CV? Grr, ads. Put the ads up. Who put those ads? Who put them? Tell me right now. Oh, the volume on the Kennedy? Yeah, I think it's because I turned it down right here. My bad. My bad. What's up, Ant? What's good, man? I see you, CV. Good to see you got another stream up, man. Really good. So, guys, crypto. Up and down, roller coaster. Just been trading sideways. But you know what? It's okay. It is all right. We're back streaming tonight. And you know what happens when we click off the live stream. Crypto starts to rip. Still got Litecoin sitting above 180. That was a pretty big level for it. XRP still looking extra juicy, guys. 107 still looking a mighty strong buy for me. Bitcoin 47.5 still hanging above 47. That's really good news for us. I'd like to see it above 48, but nonetheless, I'll take it where it's at. Dogecoin above 24. That's a good spot for it right now. If we continue to trade sideways and wait for another leg up, we'll be sitting absolutely beautiful, guys. And we got ADA at 236, a little on the low side. I'd like to see that pop above 240. Pretty much every day we get in the 240s, but I'd like to see it find a floor at 240 and chill there. That way we don't tend to bleed off a little bit more, possibly go a little bit lower. But guys, month of September is usually pretty bad for crypto, so just hang in there. We got October coming. October is going to be on fire, guys. I cannot wait for it. We're still waiting on the news for XRP lawsuit to come up. XRP, in my opinion, really strong buy right here, guys. See what's up in the chat. AMC accept all crypto but Doge. I didn't see that, Moon. Kind of got to go out your way to accept Doge. Of course you got to go out your way, man. You got to accept the Doge. You know who I'm expecting to make a Doge video would be Mr. Beast, man. I think he'd make a really cool Dogecoin video. What happened today to smart contracts? Ernesto's asking. Well, we talked about the two scenarios, man. Either it would have a major run up and probably come down a good percentage of that. We didn't see that. I think it's going to be more of a long-term steady growth up from this point. Now, I didn't touch nothing. We've been off the stream for 4 days, guys. So thank you very much for rocking with me tonight. But I left this line just to signify to see if we would continue this trend, continue bouncing, but we broke underneath it. But that's cool. We caught this level of support right here. So we can go ahead and take this off for right now. And pretty much know we got really strong support right here around 235, and the next one being somewhere around 225. So, and we might catch a little traffic here at 230, but it looks pretty good in the overall picture right now. This is the 4-hour chart. The RSI has room to grow. Yes, we're trading underneath this 200-day moving average, but there was that M. That was the last time we streamed that night when we were hanging around somewhere right here. So since we've been off the stream, pretty much sideways, nice little green pop. But as you can see, we lost all this green we had here, and we're currently sitting below it. So I'm just waiting for another little green pop to come on and really pop back up the market. Hopefully we'll see it this weekend. Crypto for a little bit. Let's pull up Doge real quick, check the 4-hour, see what's going on over there. Get some hype back into the crypto space because right now it's not happening. 4-hour chart, that was a really good 4-hour candle right there. But nonetheless, still bleeding down, lost all the value. So you can pretty much signify these big pumps if you see them in a 4-hour time frame. Might be a good selling opportunity, you know, you never know. because after these big pumps, you tend to lose all your value across the board with the crypto. So it's probably whales manipulating the market, you know, getting in, getting some tendies, and then hopping right out, and it goes right back to where it was, just trading sideways, guys. So sideways action for the Doge today, minus 3.83%. I'm not worried about it. It's going to fluctuate. Tomorrow it might be up a little bit. We'll just have to see what the weekend has in store for us, guys. Let me leave Doge up for a few minutes, but let's get back to the 5-minute price action, see what's going on. 5-minute looks pretty good, guys. We're slowly stepping our way back up right here. Hit this almost little double bottom right here. Not quite, but we had a pretty good run up. These two 5-minute candles had a bunch of volume stepping in, and you can see we're getting rejected on the 5-minute off that 200-day moving average, but I'm expecting us to get above that pretty shortly, being the RSI is heating up. It's starting to hook, and we're also over that 50-day moving average coming up. And we're not turning south, we're heading north on this RSI slightly, so we should get a pretty good bounce above that. Might end up somewhere back around 24.50 to 24.30 here in the short term, maybe on the stream tonight. Catch back up with the chat. Was hoping to take some profits on something this weekend. I need $600. What you trying to take profits on, man? Doge is the way you win, Moon. You already know that, man. I might need to get some XRP. You just might, man. Not financial advice, but XRP 107 looking pretty nice right now, man. Pretty nice. Oh, he does have a little hitch. I wonder what's going on with DK. Wonder what's going on with the DK tonight. Maybe I need to optimize my PC right there, like Dell is telling me to. Who knows? What's up, One Shot? What is good, my man? U.S. officials are examining possible insider trading and market manipulation on Binance. That doesn't surprise me. Does not surprise me one bit. I'm not concerned about it. Jen says, I got my Coinbase card. That's what's up, Jen. Start making them tendies. Start making that XLM. Ernesto, you sitting on $600 off of XLM yet? I know you've been buying stuff up like crazy with that card, man. Oh, I got you. You off the wait list. So you didn't actually receive the card yet. Matt, what hat are you wearing? LSU hat, man. I'm gonna have the camera back on tomorrow, guys. Looks like we're gonna get this break right here real quick though. Let's see what happens. Ramping up. Let's see what's about to happen. Might get this break over this 5-minute candle. Start hopping back into some making some tendies back from what we lost today. Good to see you, Crypto Zach. Randy something. Matt's wearing his Doge hat but doesn't want to show it. Actually, I'm making a pretty cool Doge hat. I did see in the chat, I was reading up, Dogepalooza got pushed back, so that's a shame. But nonetheless, I'll still be there whenever it does come back. One Shot GT dropped some knowledge the other day. Avalanche Crypto is doing really well, guys. He messaged me, and I ended up picking me a couple up at 62, and it's sitting at 73.22, up 12% on the day. So definitely have Avalanche on your radars, guys. It's moving pretty good right now. One Shot was telling me he thinks Avalanche could go as high as 130. The way things look, it's very possible. Very possible. Yes, on the 5-minute chart, Doge is looking very nice, Win Moon. Well, I'm a little hoarse tonight. Let me get some water real quick. There's a new free crypto on Coinbase, everybody. CHZ. So check it out. If you got Coinbase, make sure you're doing all them free little giveaways on the Coinbase. Free crypto giveaways. Do your little DD on the crypto. Or if you like me, just pick any answer until it's right. And you let it go. But yeah, get your free crypto. I'll buy a Doge hat if you make one. That's what's up, man. I'm in the process. I need to make some coffee mugs. If I make a good hat, though, if I make a hat, it's going to be a good hat. Really good quality. I need a Doge hat to go with the Doge tat, because that's where it's at. And that's a fact, Jack. Mr. Randy something. AVAX Crypto Hidden Good. Yep. It is looking pretty nice, man. I really appreciate you dropping that knowledge on us, man. Hopefully you're sitting up on some pretty nice tendies, man. OMG got into Shiba, too. Shiba was popping off the Coinbase news. That was one highlight this week, definitely. They also had this strange coin PBX off of KuCoin. It actually ran like 8,000% at the high. I don't know where it's at today. I kind of took my eyes off of it. But that was a pretty big mover this week too. Crypto Zach messaged me about it. And I saw it up 3,000%. And I'm like, that might be over with. And then I saw it run to 8,000. I'm like, well, crap. It's too late now. Then it came back down. So I bought some. Rode it up a little, rode it back down, and I ended up getting out even. But PBX crypto ran all the way to 2 cents off of KuCoin. Wimu, Randy has a lower back Doge tat. That's funny. What if now, hear me out. What if you made a cheesy hat with the squins and it flips on one side? No, that's pretty cool, Jen. That's a good idea. It's a real good idea. Mr. Ben Collins in the chat. What's happening, my man? Hey, Matt, can we get 100K Bitcoin this year? I believe so, my man. We're just currently waiting for it to go. September is usually a pretty harsh month for crypto. I was expecting some pretty good moves this month, but it's just not quite happening, not holding true. Next month, I think is going to be pretty good for us, man. If you can hang tight a couple more weeks, possibly give you some adding opportunity. As of right now, I'm adding a lot of XRP and Doge whenever I can. That's going to be the best movers. Doge is going to be popping. I read an article. I forgot who wrote it. Wall Street Journal, I think. They were talking about how Doge is at least 100% play for the rest of the year. I think it's going to be significantly higher. I think possibly 3-4 times your money. As we approach that $1 mark, guys. Did you guys talk about Gala yet? What's going on with Gala, man? Let me see real quick. Gala. Gala's down 3.53%. Pretty big dip and came right back. I wonder what happened with that. Let's check out the Coinbase real quick. Give me 1 second, guys. Looking up something real quick. Market was a sea of red today, dude. Sea of red. Zach, if you're still in here, I'm looking at your algo, man. Down 9.63%. Sitting at $1.95, dude. I hope y'all floated that, man. XTZ, man, everything's looking red today. Top mover Sushi down 14.4 0%. Solana down 2%, back to 146. So we probably saw that high off Solana somewhere around the 215 range. We didn't quite get the 250 we were looking for. Looks like it's heading back down. Ethereum still holding 34.27. Very good to see it above 34. We want to keep it within that range for all you Ethereum holders out there. We don't want to see it go any lower. XLM is currently at 32 cents, down 2% today. And yeah, it's not much happening, guys. I mean, I haven't been on in a couple days, but you know, just what happens. I had a lot of stuff going on, so thank y'all for continuing to rock with me, support me. I appreciate all the love in the Discord. New to Coinbase, we have Shiba Inu down 5% today, but was up a pretty good percentage. The other day, we got Horizon, ZEN, ticker symbol, down 5.24%. XYO, that was released the other day, down 6%. And we got RARI, governance token, up 17.38% today. So I'm going to look into what's going on over there because that's making some pretty good moves. Also got ORN up 15%. IOTA coin creeping up there 11.42%. Avalanche, one of the top movers today, up 10.95%. And we got Cody coin up 5%. So stuff's starting to look pretty good. It's just these weird movers that are, you know, on these red days really start moving. Got Westside Weed Smokes with the 420 super chat, dude. Saints look nice so far. Go Niners. We got the Niners fans over here. Hey, with Jameis Winston at the realm, we're looking pretty nice, my friend. But thank you very much for that super chat, my man. I've been out of commission for a couple days, so good to see everybody, man. Good to see you. Gallo was up 130% yesterday. I didn't catch it, man. To be quite honest with you, I did not catch it. These past couple days, I kind of just spent trying to recharge the batteries, get back to the grind, and get back to hopping on top of these plays right now. But that's very cool to see, man. Go Chiefs. I like the Chiefs. I like the Niners too, man. When I was a kid, it was always the Niners and the Cowboys growing up. Emmitt Smith, you know, just, man, it was just, that was the greatest games for me. What's up, clown baby? Crypto about to explode. You already know, man. Might not be this month though, guys. September is usually a bad month for crypto. October, looking pretty hot. Looking pretty hot. As soon as this XRP news comes out, XRP is going to have a pretty good rip. I do think at first it might be buy the hype, sell news. So I have to keep a very close eye on it when that news does break. Because when it does, I think it'll possibly be like that Litecoin situation, one of those pump and dumps real quick, and then continue off to the races. Because we only got a couple months left in the year, guys. I don't think this bull cycle for Bitcoin will continue much later than quite possibly November. We'll have to see how it plays out, but at some point this year, Bitcoin is going to stall out. I believe it's just what happens on these bull cycles, and altcoins will continue to run for a little bit longer, which could line up to the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade in February, which where all the staking coins are actually released, and you'll probably see a little bit of a dump there. So that could maybe wrap up the rest of our year. So I think ADA from this point on is pretty much might be a little sideways, up and down, but I think ADA's on fast track to get back to where we want to see it, back above $3. So we have quite a bit of ways to go, but we'll get it there. We're starting to turn here. We broke some tops right here. So like what I was looking for a trend reversal, we hit 231 twice right here, and then we started breaking these tops right here, which is a very good sign. So for a bounce right here would be very bullish right here for me on the 5-minute or even off this 200-day. But you're starting to get that 14-day hooking above that 200-day. So it's I'm looking for a bounce right here shortly, and maybe some type of consolidation, and then start heading up to retest these tops right here, guys. So as of right now, pop over to the 10-minute chart. Your next major level could possibly be around 239, which ain't nothing. We've been popping back above 240 all week. Just dip, rip, dip, rip. You know how it goes. So if you hold an ADA, I'm not the least bit concerned about it. I'm still expecting $5 to $10 this year, and make some nice tendies on that, my friends. Let me pop back up some Dogecoin. I don't know why. I just looked and saw Cunningham was the last time I actually liked the Eagles. That was the first comment I saw. It made me laugh. Niner Empire. What's up, Jay Rogers? How you doing, my man? Do not sell, buy the dip. That's what's up, everybody. Cross your fingers for Doge AMC to rocket by my birthday in October. I hope so, Cassie. I hope so. I saw that clown, baby. That was on the day chart. Last time that happened, we ripped, man. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens, my friend. Yep, last time it happened, we went from 9K to 63. Hopefully this time we'll go 47 to 110. That's what we want to see. Bitcoin above 110,000, guys. And we'll get it there. It's going to get there this year. And then we'll possibly see it lose 80% of its value right after. And then we'll go back into a bear market, which will be another great buying opportunity, and it'll get rough again. But that's just how crypto goes. Welcome to the life. I grew up an Eagles fan. That's what's up. I always think of Kevin Hart when I think of the Eagles. And that dude that used to ride the trash truck, I forgot his name. He was the trash truck driver. He used to kick the truck. He made the team. Dang, that was a good movie. I forgot the name of it. If y'all know the name of it, let me know. Keep your eyes on CRV coin and DOT. Yeah, I do think I've been seeing DOT make some pretty good moves ahead of other cryptos. Like some days other cryptos will just be up 1%. DOT will be up 5-6. DOT has some good NFT plays going on with it. So I would definitely keep your eye on Polkadot. It is last time I checked number 10 crypto on the top 10 list, but could have some room to grow. You speed read, don't you, Matt? Yes. Sometimes. The ADA dip means I can buy back in. There you go. I hope it doesn't go any lower. I saw some people talking about 225, 220. It's possible, but we're starting to break some tops here, so it's looking better. It's looking healthier. You know, last time we started to break some tops. Let's see if we can zoom back out. It was like right in this area. We broke some right here, but not really. Mainly in this area, but then we fell out. But I'm getting pretty excited, guys. I do think I think this week will be especially a little bit greener than what we saw this week. This week was pretty much sideways with some red, and you know, pretty boring situation if you're holding your crypto, but if you're buying, adding on these little dips we're having, very cool situation. And we've been talking about dips for a couple months on this channel. I understand that, but look, we were talking about dips at ADA at $1. We're talking about dips at ADA, you know, at 236 right now, guys. So it is growing, and you have to keep that in mind. It is absolutely growing. Dogecoin, you know, I understand it's been pretty much sideways, guys. It will get back on track as soon as Bitcoin I'm looking for a close on the 4-hour candle of Bitcoin above 50K. Once you see that, crypto is going to be right back on track and we'll be off to the races. We're just currently waiting on the big crypto Bitcoin to get his stuff together right now. I'm about to buy in on mass market. Bitcoin will be $1 million a coin someday, Clown Baby says. Hopefully so, man. What do you think about AMP, dude? I like AMP. I think AMP is a real good buy between 4 and 5 cents. I met the AMP community, great people. They actually gave me $100 in AMP. I gave it away to on the stream. A couple of people won it. It had one really good day right after that, ran 40%, but I don't think it's done much ever since. I think AMP is a strong buy between 4 and 7. Buy around 4 to 5, sell around 6.5 to 7 cents. That's what I think about AMP, but I do think it could be significantly higher in the future. It's just going to take a little time to play out. AMP is basically the PayPal of crypto. Oh, I got you, Jen. I got you. Thinking about, Jay Rogers says, thinking about adding another long-term coin, XLM, Uni. I am currently have ADA, DOT, Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum. Don't sleep on XRP, Jay Rogers. I'm telling you, my brother, XRP is going to treat you well in the long run. Jason Gregory, dude, coming in hot with a $20 super chat, dude. You did not have to do that, my friend. But I appreciate it, man. This is for being such a great friend and being there when I needed someone. You don't know how thankful I am. Nah, thank you, man. I really appreciate it. And guys, you don't have to super chat me, guys. It's nothing but love out here. But dude, thank you, man. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, man. And I value friendship, man. Appreciate it. Yes, Jason Gregory is freaking awesome. West Side. Clown Baby is the Litecoin king. Hey, you know what, Clown Baby? You talked me into buying Litecoin right before that Walmart BS. And for a second there, dude, I was like, man, I should have bought some more. But that Litecoin situation played me, man. I wasn't happy about that at all because I broke the news to a lot of people. And then like an hour later, it turned out to be a scam. But that's what you get. You get the official Twitter page of Litecoin retweeting that Walmart article that was written by Global Star, and that's what you get. Still nothing came of that, whatever. But that is a perfect example of news to hit the market, what can happen if you're not in. If that tweet would have been legit, you would have saw XRP above 300, possibly above 350 right now. You would have Bitcoin soaring. We're one tweet away possibly from having Bitcoin just soaring, guys. It moved $10,000 in 1 hour the day of that flash crash we had. So it can definitely happen. You just got to hold true, add on your dips right now. And like I said earlier, guys, we were talking about dips for the past 3 months, and I understand that. But we're talking about dips for ADA 236, guys. We were talking about dips for $1. So just hang in there, hang tight. We're gaining steam. I know it's hard to see it when you have these red days, day after day, but it will be back. September is usually a bad month. I think October is the month we're going to really start moving, guys. I really do. I think October will really get back on track, have Bitcoin soaring, possibly retesting some all-time highs. Ooh, NFT Marketplace OpenSea launches mobile apps for iOS and Android. I did not know that, OMG. Thanks for dropping that knowledge. It's very cool. But Clown Baby, what I was saying, I am up on my Litecoin, like $2. So thank you, man. I appreciate it. I just don't like what happened the other day. But I did buy some Litecoin for you, man. I just wanted to let you know that. Westside says, just checking out Matt's Taker real quick. It's just sideways right now, man. It's just what it is. Until we get some real good news popping in the market, it ain't gonna be shit, man. We're just gonna continue to trade sideways, up and down, up and down. Yeah, you can swing trade, but the margin is so super tight right now, man. We're just waiting for a nice little pump to come in. Jay Rogers says, so true about XRP. XRP is one to have on your radar, guys. I was screaming it at 130. You know, no one can predict the flash crash. It came all the way back to $1, but XRP extra juicy right there, guys. I can't say it enough because when that thing goes, it's gonna rock it. It's gonna rock it. Thank you, Jason. Appreciate it, man. What's poppin', KC? KC, you funny, dude. One shot GT coming in hot with the super stickers, dude. Dropping a quick $30 with 3 $10 super stickers, dude. Hey, thank you very much, One Shot GT. Greatly appreciate you, my man. Thank you for throwing us on that Avalanche play. I'm with you, man. I'm riding Avalanche. I think it can go pretty high from where it's at, my man. Last time I checked it, Avalanche was trading at 72 bucks. Let's see where it's at real quick. And that's AVAX. Have it on your watch list, guys. It's moving pretty good. I'd wait for a little bit of pullback if you're looking to get in. It could quite possibly dip a little bit. Let's see. I don't know, or quite possibly keep going. Every time I think it's gonna dip pretty good, it just keeps going, guys. 71.98 right now. So it did come down a little bit since the beginning of the stream. I think somewhere around 68 to 70 bucks be a pretty good buying opportunity. Quite possibly rip some more. I'm in at 62. I think One Shot's in around 50 something. So definitely have it on your watch list. It is moving, guys. Oh my God, dude. Hey, that's the rookie mistakes I make. I've been off the mic for 4 days. I'm muted to take a sip of water and I start like going off about these charts. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, guys. My mic is super sensitive. And when I hit that button, take a sip, because I don't want y'all to have to hear me gulping some water over here. That's what happens to you. He's making bacon. Trying to make some bacon over here, guys. But pretty much, y'all probably didn't hear shit I just said right there, so I apologize. But XRP looking pretty hot right here, guys. 103, some pretty good support. So you could probably, if you're looking to pick up some XRP, you can swap it on KuCoin. You can swap Tether for XRP, pick you up some. You might be able to get it around 103 if you see a bounce, if it continues to go that low, but you set a little bit higher low right here. We're starting to bounce, so who knows? You could possibly swing it back up to 113, maybe even 115. We'll see what happens here today and tomorrow. But XRP looking pretty nice around that 103 area. So if you do see that again, just know in the back of your mind, you could possibly trade it back up to 110, 113 area. That's some pretty nice tendies for you for a quick swing trade. But if you're holding it long term, waiting for that rocket, let me see if I can show you that. That's the 4 hour. That was that spike right there, I believe. That was where Coinbase accidentally listed it on the charts for a few seconds. And look at that rocket, just shot straight up, and then it came right back down. But that's what can happen really quick with XRP. I think you'll see that come shortly, guys. Mouse was going crazy like you on a rant. We couldn't hear you. Oh, I was rolling, dude. I was rolling, man. I just made biscuits and sausage. Hey, it sounds good, man. I actually ate some Raisin Canes tonight. One Shot GT, once again. Oh my God, dude. You were showing some mad love tonight, dude. Thank you very much, man, for that $20 super sticker, dude. That's a pretty cool super sticker. I like that one. Got a little Doge holding a trophy. You know what time it is. Doge is going to the moon, baby. Thank you very much for that super sticker, my friend. Greatly appreciate all y'all supporting the channel. Really do. OMG dropping some knowledge. It's still listed on the charts, but it's not tradable. But I think it will be tradable soon. That's very interesting. If it's still up on the charts, if they left it up, wasn't there before, so it's probably giving you a tall tale sign that they're looking to accept it again. That would just be my, my guess. But yeah, don't sleep on it. It's gonna rock and roll. We got Litecoin. Litecoin making some pretty much. I'm not gonna call it higher highs, but higher lows right here. So that's a very good sign. Might be on a little uptrend right here. You can see that fake news about Walmart right here. But that's what goes on in the crypto space, guys. That's how fast it can move. I still wonder if there's going to be an investigation to see who sold at the top up here. Who sold at the top? Let's check out some Ethereum for all you Ethereum holders out there. Well, my voice is hoarse. I didn't even realize that. So Ethereum, quite honestly, looking like a good dip buy opportunity right here. If you're big into Ethereum, you're bouncing off this 200-day moving average right here on the 4-hour chart. RSI is starting to look up. You're starting to start off green right here. Quite possibly make 150 bucks off a quick swing trade if you pick up a couple of one Ethereum right here. Pick up a couple, you could possibly make a little bit more. So Ethereum looks pretty nice right here. So you got the 50 just crossed underneath the 200, but you're starting to get a bounce right here. Let's see what happens by tomorrow. Let's see if we can actually hang above 34. 34.20 right now. This chart, I think it's about to bounce right there, which would be a very, very good sign. I could pop a pretty good line right there. It would have almost like this little break right here, but came right back. I'll continue to watch Ethereum. That's my baby right here. But I think we hit these little bottoms here, and it's looking a lot better than when we flash crashed back 3 or 4 months ago where it was hitting 1700, guys. So if you notice the trend, everything's creeping up. Dogecoin is still lagging behind, guys. I do not know why. It pisses me off, to tell you the truth. Dogecoin is my favorite cryptocurrency, and it's just still waving off this bear flag right here, guys. And that's just, waiting for this pop up Possibly gets back to the 30-cent range. Could be a big cup and handle forming possibly. I don't want to see it go any lower. I really don't. I think it has strong support right around 23 cents. And we've been bouncing ever since for the past couple days. So I think it'll stay within that range until we can really get Bitcoin moving again, guys. What's up, Bull Doja? What's up, man? Yeah, Crypto Visions had his channel temporarily terminated. I'm still hoping he'll have it back pretty soon. I think he started a new channel. It's under his name, Tim Morse. Is that what it is, CV? Yeah, I didn't realize how hoarse my voice was. I'm sitting over here screaming. Yeah, Cody's up 9%. It was looking pretty nice. So AMC down 4% on the day. I know a lot of you AMC lovers out there don't like to see that. That was that line I drew the last night we streamed 3-4 nights ago, and we completely broke down underneath it. We're testing that level of support. So my prediction for AMC, I think you'll probably get a bounce off this level of support right here and continue to trade between 48 and 43 for the next couple days, upcoming start of the week next week. Let me check out HUT, see what HUT did on a big Friday. Not much moving, not much action popping into it. Down about 2.5, a little over 2.5%. So no action in the aftermarket. Usually if you see a big pop in the aftermarket, they'll pretty much signify crypto is going to do pretty good for the weekend. So we'll have to see. Let's check out MARA, M-A-R-A, another mining stock over here. Pretty much the same thing, down slightly aftermarket hours. So I'm pretty sure Riot looks the same. Crypto Zach, are you still in here, man? Drop a comment if you are. There was another mining stock he told me about that was coming out. I forgot the ticker symbol for it. Pretty much the same thing, guys. Riot not as down quite as much, almost 1% on the day and total with aftermarket hours in action. Oh, yeah, I'll drop you a wrench, man. Sorry, I just saw you comment. There you go, my friend. Doge is being kept in its price range by the whales. Gets like 24. Yeah, I'm happy with it around 24 right now. That's a perfect loading opportunity zone right here. Tim Morris. Oh, you started Twitch? Yeah, I saw that, man. You can make damn good money off of Twitch. You really can. Jason Gregory coming in hot says I have 1,753 Doge right now. Hey, man, it's better than zero, and you can make some pretty nice tendies on it when it hits $1, my friend. Bull Doges chilling, bought 13K more Doge. That's what's up, man. Doge is just trading sideways, but it's getting ready for a nice little leg up, guys. We're gonna start heading back to these all-time highs, guys. Crypto is just loading up right now. October, I really do think is the month where everything starts ripping off. I still think XRP possibly any day now is going to start coming out with the news on the lawsuit, and they're going to get listed on all the big exchanges again. You're going to see a lot higher XRP price. Sushi Swap is down 12%. The lead developer stepped down. Yeah, that's never a good thing for a crypto when the lead developer steps down. I would be pretty bearish on Sushi Swap from this point on. I'll have to read further into the story. I'm sure there's not too much news explaining why, all the nitty-gritty details, but I'll look into it. Always do keep my eye on Sushi Swap. So Boy, say that 10 times quick. Jason says my average buy-in is 23 cents. Pretty good price target for Doge, man. That's a pretty good price target for the Doge. So, guys, have your mind on Avalanche. Avalanche is looking pretty decent, guys. It's a little more expensive than typically what we're looking at over here. It's sitting around 72 bucks right now. But that thing is set up to do some pretty nice things. Quite possibly get 100% from where you're sitting at right now. We'll have to see how it plays out. But One Shot GT put us on it. And it's looking pretty nice right now, guys. So that's what the community is about. When people, put stuff out there, I tend to go at it, and it's been treating us well. OMG put us on HUT, a couple of other ones. One Shot GT put us on this Avalanche, and it's doing pretty nice right now. No, it's all good, Tim. I don't know how to make money on Twitch yet. I think it's with the subs, man. I'm not 100% sure. I don't Twitch stream, but I think you have to. I think it's so much per subscriber, something like that. I know you get super chats and stuff like that, but I don't know how many subs you have to have. I don't know the whole details about it. Really couldn't tell you, man. But I know you can make some pretty decent money on Twitch with not a lot of subs. So, and plus, Mr. Beast might come holler at you. He's a big Twitch guy. Watch Gala too? Yeah, I will. The one up 130% yesterday. I'll keep my eyes on it, man. Do some research on NKN crypto. FTM could be good as well. Let me see this. NKN. I saw that the other day. Oh, that's... Yeah, you were telling me about that. The network infrastructure. So it's on Coinbase. See if it's tradable. Why is it not coming up? So it's down 3.39%, 38 cents per coin. Dang, hit a high 1 month ago of 56 cents. What price did you get on? Yeah, it actually looks the same as all the other cryptos, so could be definitely a good play right there. What price? Oh no, the all-time high was back in March, April-ish, above 120. So not bad. Oh, Crypto Zach, dude, being at you in the chat, dude, what is the name of that crypto mining stock that's about to IPO? I could not remember the name of it. I want to tell people about it. Twitch is for streaming. YouTube is for uploading videos of your cat. Man, y'all remember that a long time ago? The cat videos were going wild on YouTube. NKN fits in the ADA category, in my opinion. It's trying to give people internet and use wasted bandwidth. Oh, cool. No, it's definitely really awesome. One of my viewers turned me on to FTM. Yeah, I saw it popped right after you had mentioned it, man. It had a really, really good run up. Doge right now having some trouble getting above 24.15. We got 24.18 where the 200-day moving average is getting rejected. 24.17 is the 14-day. So see what happens here. I haven't bought any. Bills come first right now. I hear you, man. You got to take care of the bills. Mr. Alex, dude, what's happening, my friend? Thank you very much for tuning in, dude. We're just watching some crypto, watching some Dogecoin, man. How you feeling about the market today, man? I know it's been a couple days since I've been on, but crypto's been pretty stale, guys. It's just moving sideways. What do you guys think about Bitcoin mining companies? I got some money in BTBT. Bulldozer, man, we tend to play them over here. We play Hut. I was doing Ride for a while. Never really got into Mara too much, but usually, like, say Bitcoin's trading at 47.6 right here. If Bitcoin would move to 48K over the weekend, which it possibly will, so you're looking at 48.5 Bitcoin, you could bet your ass you could wake up first thing Monday morning if you're trading on Webull or a platform that allows you to buy pre-market and wake up that second for pre-market open, buy you some Hut. It's going to absolutely treat you well, my friend. We've been making some pretty good tinnies off of it. I do like BTBT. Nothing against it. Let me see where it's at, man. What price did you get in BTBT, if you don't mind me asking? So it's starting to come back. It's retesting that 200-day moving average on the 15-minute. $10 is a pretty good level for it to break. If the weekend's good for Bitcoin, you can pretty much expect this to be over 10, possibly 1030, maybe even 1050 range. We'll have to see what happens for the weekend, though. But yeah, we like the Bitcoin mining stocks over here, man. We are all for them. Definitely a way to make money off of crypto in the stock market. Yeah, man, I hear you. Too much sideways action. Load up while you can, because when Bitcoin pops, mining stocks will go nuts. You already know, OMG. You already know. I got 200 something at 995. Let's see what happens Monday, man. Let's see what happens. If it goes down, I don't think it'll be nothing significant. I think you'll be fine. But let's see what happens with Bitcoin over the weekend, man. That will give you a tall tale sign if maybe you could sell out pre-market, get in a little bit cheaper. Especially, you know, if you go south, have a -5, 10% day. Why just sit there and go red? You know, we'll touch base on that Sunday night. We'll go over the mining stocks, kind of get our input. We'll just remember Bitcoin is trading at 47.6 as of well, we could say 47.5. That was when market closed. So what's up, Skydive? Hey, y'all, just popping in and say hey and hit the like button. Working out in the country, so sell is spotty. Have a great weekend. Make that money. Thank you, Skydive. Greatly appreciate you stopping by and showing some love. Especially since it's been a couple days since I haven't talked to y'all. But crypto just trading sideways. Maybe we'll spice it up tomorrow. I'll come on, drink some Taco Bell hot sauce packets or something. For all the love and support I've been getting. We'll do something. I'll figure something out. If you got some ideas, drop them in the Discord. Hopefully crypto will be rocking and rolling by then. ADA, I'm just, you know, I can't believe ADA is trading where it's at right now. I thought we'd be rocking above 250. I do think it's up from this point. It's just ADA, just waiting for some good news to happen, and I do think it's coming shortly, guys. I don't think we'll go back to see 220. I think that 231 looks pretty good for me. Like, if you can get in around 231 and see that bounce, that's a pretty good price to hold your ADA long term. if you're looking to get in on this dip right here. Scott, I'm a slacker. I'm a slacker, McFly. I didn't take it off. Did not take it off. Rick, how you doing, man? Did you have a good week? Hopefully you made some tendies, man. Mr. Rick, let us know what you bought this week, man, because I am interested to know what you bought. As you can see, though, Scott, Streamlabs did not cap on you. Very, very surprised. Who knows, guys? We might do like a little open Discord party tomorrow night or something. We'll spice it up. Get some people up. If y'all want to come up here and talk on the live stream, that'd be pretty cool. Let's see what's going on. Don't, it's fun to mess with the bot. That's what people keep telling me. That's what people keep telling me. So guys, we got ADA 236, Doge 2422, Bitcoin creeping 47.7. Just saw it. XRP 107, 300 moving down a little bit, and Litecoin 181. We saw it at 180. So some plays are starting to make some moves. Hopefully tomorrow will be a lot better day for us. We'll have something to talk about. See if some news actually breaks. Rick saying, yeah, good week. I caught Doge and sold, bought back. That's what's up, man. Making some tendies off this swing trading if you can. It's really tight margins right now, man. I picked up some more ADA and Bit. That's what's up, Scott. ADA's going to treat you well. We just got to get it right back on track, get it to 250, and get it to stay there. I loaded up on AMP and ADA today, more Doge. So guys, here's what I'm kind of thinking. We did see that pretty good pump on ADA to $3, $3.10. Doge was rocking around 30, 35. Bitcoin got above 50K. We did have a nice pump after those 3 months of dip talking. I don't think it's going to be 3 more months. I think this is what you're going to see here. Next possible 2 weeks is just going to be loading zone material. Might have some pretty good pops here and there. Once XRP news does come out, that's going to really help the market out a lot. I think it's going to be a big win for the crypto space. So we'll have to see what happens. But I think you have about 2 weeks to load the boat right here with whatever cryptos that you were expecting to make some pretty good run-ups. XRP, Doge, Ethereum, ADA, all those good ones. Possibly even Litecoin. We could see Litecoin do some pretty nasty things this year, possibly get back to 350. We're still in the bull cycle, guys. It's coming. Just make sure you have your portfolio ready for when it does, and you're going to see what happens. It's going to get absolutely crazy again in the crypto space. Right now, people kind of stepped away. People are swing trading their crypto. They aren't holding it per se like Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin is getting heavily swing traded throughout the whole market, whales and retail together. That's why you're seeing Doge at 24.16 right here. If people would be buying and holding their Doge like they were back at 5 cents, you would see these massive shoot ups like we were seeing back in the beginning of the year. We're just not quite seeing that yet, guys. Even when we came from 47 back to 16, people were still holding, and you saw an influx of whole new buyers buying back in, volume stepping back into the plays. We're not quite getting that right here, but Bitcoin is looking like it wants to turn green for the day, 47,706. So let's get Bitcoin back above 48, get it out of this consolidation range. Let's get it above 50K. And when you see Bitcoin above 50K on a 4-hour open and close, you're going to see things really start to move, guys. That's what I'm currently waiting on. I know we were waiting on that confirmation back then. We saw after 50K, it ran all the way to 53, and then we had the flash crash. People weren't expecting that. Do I think they'll do it again? I don't think so. I think that was a pretty big fake out right there, and now they'll kind of let everything slowly get back on track. The whales, when I say they, that's who I'm referring to. So we'll see what happens, guys. I think the next 2 weeks could be a little bit bearish for us, possibly sideways trading, and then we'll look to spice things up, get back to some pretty good all-time highs for ADA. I mean, if Bitcoin would shoot to 100K next week, I'm telling you right now, ADA would do some pretty nasty things right behind it. You're sitting there where Bitcoin's under 50K and ADA is still trading at 235. You could, I think you could still double your money off of ADA right there for the year, quite possibly a lot higher. So we'll see what happens, guys. Later, Skydive. Good to see Solana market plunges 20 billion for outage, and I think you'll see people stepping out of Solana. I've said that multiple times, and start heading into ADA as more and more things start to pop out on the ecosystem. I'm just waiting on that one first big pop on ADA ecosystem to really hit, and you're gonna see ADA do some pretty nice things. Still holding on Doge other than scalping that account. I got you, Skydive. I've got enough Doge now that if it rips, I'll want to swing it and make some tendies as I can. That's what's up, Jason. Yeah, have a good night, Scott. I appreciate you. What's up, Matt M? MACD about to cross over on the daily Bitcoin. Yeah, hopefully tomorrow's a real good green day for us. Let's check out the Bitcoin chart real quick. Like I said, guys, tomorrow I'll be back on the mic, on the camera. Man, Bitcoin is retesting that 200-day moving average right here. 47,724. That's where we're getting rejected right there. So you're seeing that rejection, and right after that, you got 47,830. Pretty good level of resistance. So might end up coming back down a little bit if we can't get that break. But real good buying pressure. 15-minute chart right here. Really getting some buying pressure, stepping into Bitcoin. So really good resistance at 47.3. So I don't think we'll dip below 47 again. Not in the short term, at least, guys. So everything's looking pretty good for right now. Let's hope we continue this trend. Wake up above 47.8 and get Bitcoin right back on track, guys. So not too much happening tonight. I just wanted to pop on and appreciate y'all coming out, showing some love. Come and hit that like button for me. My voice is shot. I had no idea my voice was like my throat legit hurts. So I'm gonna go ahead, chill out for the rest of the night. I just wanted to hop on, talk to y'all. Thank y'all for all the love and all the super chats, all that good stuff. Hang tight, guys. I know crypto's moving sideways. It's not exciting right now, but we saw Litecoin news. Wait till the XRP news comes out. It's really going to get the market right back on track and get everybody super excited. We'll all start making some pretty nice tendies again. Just remember, last month we were talking about, last month and a half ago, talking about dips for ADA at $1. Now we're talking about dips at 235. The market is growing. I'm still waiting for Dogecoin to pick up some steam and stop lagging behind the rest of the crypto market. Down almost 4% on the day. So taking a pretty good hit today. XRP down 2.28%. And Litecoin 181 down 2%. So I'm not concerned the least bit. Kind of like the AMC GME thing. When the whole market's down, everything's down. I'm not concerned the least bit. Now, if it was just Dogecoin really down, then I'd be concerned. But the market's looking good, even though we're sitting a little bit red. Hopefully tomorrow will be a really green day for us, and we'll have some pretty good stuff to talk about tomorrow night. Yep, it's all good, man. Much love to everybody. If y'all need me, I will be in the Discord. I'll try to come up with some pretty cool ideas for tomorrow night's stream. Change some stuff up. So if you guys want to come up and possibly talk some crypto, you have some questions, or you just want to come up here and BS with me, y'all let me know, and we'll try to make it happen for tomorrow night's stream, guys. So Once again, thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the super chats. Greatly appreciate y'all. I'm gonna go rest up my throat for the night. Hopefully we'll be looking at some pretty green prices. One shot, thank you, man. And I'll continue to watch that avalanche. I can't wait to see what it does, man. I think we're gonna make some pretty good tendies off of it. But once again, guys, much love, and let me know if y'all need something, and peace.